Hi guys! Welcome back our channel guys. Si Charlie isang OFW sa Dubai guys. Today guys, i-share ko sa inyo guys yung na-demonetize ako kahapon guys. Yung nag-email si YouTube na mayroon daw akong reuse content. So actually guys, ni-review ko lahat yung mga video ko guys, mostly sa akin talaga yung mga video guys. So at saka yung mga short video guys, yan tinicheck ko din guys, yan. Never ako kumuha ng mga video sa mga kaibigan ko na subscribers. So yun guys, and then so, nag-appeal ako kagabi guys. So, ngayon na-approve na siya guys. So, bumalik na yung ano ko guys, yung ads ko. So, na-approve niya na. So, kagabi lang ako nag-appeal, mga 10 AM. So, na-receive ko 10 AM yung email niya uli guys. So, masaya ako guys kasi nga malapit na ako sa sahod dito sa YouTube. So, mga 90 na guys, so kulang na lang $10 bago ibigay ni YouTube kasi nga ang thresholder ng makasahod ng YouTube is $100. So meron na tayong 90 guys, so kulang na lang 10. So tuloy-tuloy lang guys sa pag-upload. Yun guys, so ituturo ko kayo guys kung paano mag-appeal ng video para ma-approve ni YT. So actually guys, dalawang option yung binigay ni YT guys. So number 1 yung in-appeal ko guys. So gumawa ako ng video. Yan, English yung guys kasi nga ipapasa natin kay YT. Yan. So mayroon siyang instruction. So yung video guys, 4 minutes lang kasi nga ang sabi ni YT, kung mag-appeal ka, so gumawa ka ng video 5 minutes below. Yun guys. So sa akin 4 minutes lang. And then nag-appeal ako kagabi. So ngayon bumalik na guys. Yun guys. So let's go. Pakita ko guys kung paano mag-appeal. So yan guys. So English yung ginawa ko guys kasi para maintindihan ni YouTube. Yan guys. So
Hi, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, YouTube channel team. So I would like to team my appeal because I received today that my YouTube channel is not eligible for monetize. So I make this video for appeal. So I have make only for the blogging different tutorial, cooking, review, and then about for the hair treatment, and then beauty product and adventure. So please approve my appeal. So I show you how to make the video. So I create only the simple. So I'm using only the CapCut, and then sometimes I direct to upload in my YouTube. So this is my URL, the YouTube channel. So my YouTube channel is Charlie OFW. So isang OFW in United Arab Emirates. So please allow to me to appeal this for the reuse content. So actually mostly I upload that is my original content, and then my personal content also. So I show you how to make my blogging every day. So this I'm using one phone, and then this tripod, this only. So this is I'm doing my video sometimes in my room like that. So I have only 2 things doing the blog, tripod and then one phone. So I'm using CapCut like that. So I'm using the CapCut So I show you how to edit my picture like this. See, like that. So I only edit and then I put the music like this, like that. So I show you like that. So I create my own video original like that. You see, like that. After, and then I upload direct in the short video. So hope YouTube team please approve my appeal. So I have this only two things to using my vlogging, and sometimes I make the review. I put only the phone and then with the things I review. Sometimes beauty product and sometimes cooking like that. So I have only two things. So hopefully you approve my appeal, and then thank you so much. Sincerely, this is Charlie OFW channel. So God bless.
Yun guys, so na-approve ngayon. So, ilang lang guys, madali lang. So, 10 PM dito sa Dubai, and then na-approve is 10 AM din ng umaga. Nag-email siya guys. Binalik niya yun. So, na-approve yung appeal ko guys. Yun lang. So, kagabi, kahapon guys, medyo nalungkot kasi ako guys. Kasi nga, malapit na ako pasahod at saka na-reuse daw ako. So, ni-review ko lahat yung mga video ko guys, yung mga ads. So, mayroon talaga ako nagwa-viral, yan. So, chine-check ko guys. Yan, so, pinalitan ko yung ano guys, yung mga title, lahat-lahat guys na hindi related sa video. Yun, so, thank you so much. Finally, bumalik yung ads ko guys. Yan.